How to stop Pinterest notification and emails. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. It's a very quick and simple video. Before we head to the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button as it helps the channel grow. Now let's head to the video. First, you open Pinterest. It's very quick and simple. You'll find many options here, but you have to click on the bottom right on your profile icon. Once you click on the profile icon, on the top left you'll find these three dots. Click on that, and then you have to click on settings. Once you click on settings, you have to scroll down, and here you'll find an option of notification. Click on that, and you have to scroll down, and here you'll find an option of emails, profile push on emails. You have to click on turn off, and you have to click on turn off, and this is how you're able to turn off notifications from the email. But if you also want to turn off of comments, of reaction, of saves, of views and impressions, all these options you can individually turn off. So this is how you turn off Pinterest notifications. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.